Welcome to our latest review of the top 5 best running shoes in 2025. Whether you're a casual jogger or a marathon runner, the right shoes can elevate your performance. Stay tuned until the end. Our top pick might just surprise you with its game-changing innovation. Let's dive in. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5, the Brooks Women's Ghost 16 Weatherized Running Shoe. If you're looking for ultimate comfort, all-weather protection, and smooth performance, this is the shoe for you. Stick around because you won't believe what this shoe can do. Body. 1. Weatherproof and reflective upper. Running in unpredictable weather? No worries. The DWR mesh upper keeps your feet dry while maintaining breathability. Plus, reflective elements enhance visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring safety during early morning or late-night runs. Stay protected, visible, and ready to conquer any terrain. 2. Soft cushioning for supreme comfort. The nitrogen-infused DNA Loft V3 cushioning makes every step feel like you're running on clouds. Whether you're jogging, walking, or cross-training, this shoe delivers the perfect balance of softness and responsiveness, keeping you comfortable and energized for longer. 3. Smooth transitions with every stride. A segmented crash pad and plush midsole ensure effortless heel-to-toe transitions. This means less impact on your joints and a smoother, more enjoyable run. Say goodbye to discomfort and hello to effortless movement. 4. All-weather traction for stability. Slippery roads? Wet trails? No problem. The enhanced wet/dry traction outsole keeps you steady on various surfaces. Whether it's a rainy day or dry pavement, you'll experience superior grip and confidence with every stride. 5. Neutral support for versatile performance. Designed for neutral runners, the Ghost 16 Weatherized provides just the right amount of support without feeling restrictive. It's ideal for anyone looking for a dependable, high-performance running shoe that adapts to their movement naturally. Conclusion. The Brooks Ghost 16 Weatherized is more than just a shoe, it's a must-have for runners who demand comfort, protection, and performance. If you're ready to take your runs to the next level, check out the link below. Number 4, the Nike Men's ZoomX Invincible Run Flyknit 3 Sneakers, a shoe so soft and responsive, you won't want to take it off. Body. 1. Unmatched cushioning for maximum comfort. The Nike ZoomX cushioning is shaped like a rocker, offering a soft, bouncy feel that energizes every step. With taller foam stacks than before, this shoe reduces impact and provides an ultra-plush experience, making every run feel effortless. 2. Superior stability for a confident stride. Designed with high-support technology, this shoe helps protect against pronation. A wider midsole ensures better balance, while strategically placed cushioning keeps you secure with every stride, no matter the distance or terrain. 3. Breathable and durable Flyknit upper. The evolved Flyknit upper isn't just stylish, it's functional. Targeted breathability keeps your feet cool, while the strong, flexible material ensures a snug fit, providing both durability and all-day comfort for long runs or casual wear. 4. A more secure and sleek fit. Nike has refined the heel design by using a smaller yet stronger plastic support system. This update keeps your foot locked in place without adding unnecessary bulk, creating a streamlined, modern look without sacrificing stability. 5. Designed for an energized running experience. From daily jogs to intense training, the Invincible Run Flyknit 3 delivers the ultimate ride. Its rocker shape encourages smooth transitions, while the high-energy return makes running more enjoyable, pushing you to go further with less effort. Conclusion. The Nike ZoomX Invincible Run Flyknit 3 is more than just a sneaker, it's a game-changer for runners who crave comfort and performance. Ready to elevate your runs? Check out the link below. Number 3, the ASICS Men's Gel-Nimbus 27 Running Shoes, a perfect blend of comfort, innovation, and sustainability. If you love soft landings, responsive toe-offs, and eco-friendly design, stay tuned because this shoe might just change your running game. Body. 1. Premium comfort with jacquard mesh upper. The engineered jacquard mesh upper wraps around your foot like a second skin, offering a soft, breathable feel. Whether you're hitting the pavement or running long distances, this design keeps your feet cool and comfortable without sacrificing durability. 2. Eco-friendly materials for a sustainable future. ASICS has stepped up its game by using 75% recycled materials in the upper. Plus, the solution-dyed sockliner reduces water usage by 33% and carbon emissions by 45%, making this shoe a fantastic choice for eco-conscious runners. 3. Soft landings with pure GEL technology. Forget harsh impacts. The pure GEL technology delivers lightweight cushioning, absorbing shock effortlessly. Whether you're sprinting or jogging, every landing feels smooth and comfortable, protecting your joints mile after mile. For AFF Blast plus ECO cushioning for energy return. This shoe isn't just soft, it's responsive. The FF Blast plus ECO foam contains 24% bio-based content, ensuring a plush, energy-packed ride. With every step, you'll experience a softer landing and a powerful push-off. 5. Designed for performance and longevity. Built for runners of all levels, the Gel-Nimbus 27 provides excellent stability, durability, and support. Whether you're training for a marathon or enjoying a casual run, this shoe keeps up with your pace while maximizing comfort. Conclusion. The ASICS Gel-Nimbus 27 is a game-changer for runners seeking plush comfort, responsiveness, and sustainability. Ready to elevate your running experience? Check out the link below. Number 2. The Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4, a shoe designed for elite performance and next-level comfort. If you're looking for a competitive edge in your runs, you won't want to miss this. Body. 1. Engineered for speed and efficiency. The Adizero Adios Pro 4 is built for runners who crave speed. With its lightweight design and advanced energy return, this shoe helps you push your limits, making every stride feel smooth and effortless. 2. Cutting-edge carbon technology. Equipped with Energy Rod's technology, this shoe offers a snappy toe-off and reduces energy loss. The carbon-infused rods mimic the bones of your foot, providing maximum propulsion with every step, perfect for race day or setting new personal records. 3. Ultra-lightweight and breathable upper. The FTWWHT/black/Sylvan upper is designed for breathability and support. Its lightweight construction keeps your feet cool, while the snug fit ensures a locked-in feel, reducing unnecessary movement during high-speed runs. 4. Responsive cushioning for maximum comfort. Featuring Lightstrike Pro Foam, this shoe delivers a soft yet responsive ride. Whether you're tackling long distances or sprinting towards the finish line, the midsole provides the perfect balance of cushioning and energy return. 5. Durable outsole for superior traction. The Continental rubber outsole enhances grip and durability, ensuring you stay stable on various surfaces. Whether you're running on wet pavement or dry tracks, this shoe keeps you grounded and confident. Conclusion. The Adidas Adizero Adios Pro 4 is the ultimate race day companion, offering speed, comfort, and durability. Ready to elevate your running game? Check out the link below. Number 1. The Hoka Mach X men's running shoes, a perfect fusion of speed, comfort, and innovation. If you're looking for a shoe that enhances performance while keeping your feet fresh, stick around because this one's a game changer. Body. 1. Lightweight yet powerful design. The Hoka Mach X features an ultra-lightweight build, making it perfect for runners who demand speed without compromising on comfort. The sleek turquoise and white design not only looks stylish but also supports high-performance running with ease. 2. Advanced cushioning for maximum comfort. With high-rebound PEBA foam, this shoe provides plush cushioning and excellent energy return. Every step feels soft yet responsive, ensuring a smooth ride whether you're training or racing. 3. Propulsive midsole for extra speed. The Pebax plate-infused midsole delivers an extra boost with every stride. This technology helps propel you forward, making it a fantastic choice for runners looking to improve their pace and efficiency. 4. Breathable and secure fit. The engineered mesh upper ensures excellent airflow, keeping your feet cool even during long runs. Plus, the snug fit provides stability without feeling restrictive, giving you confidence on any terrain. 5. Durable outsole for long-lasting performance. The rubber outsole enhances grip and durability, ensuring a secure footing on various surfaces. Whether you're running on pavement or trails, this shoe offers reliable traction and longevity. Conclusion. The Hoka Mach X is a top-tier running shoe built for speed, comfort, and endurance. If you're ready to upgrade your runs, this is the perfect choice. Check the link below. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.